See eye to eye. Do you see eye to eye? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to this edition of Supersize Your Business, talking about the idiom and the expression see eye to eye. Now, lately, it's felt like we haven't been able to find the origin of a lot of the idioms we've been talking about, but today's is ancient. It actually dates back to the Bible, Isaiah 52:8, when in the King James Version of the Bible, Isaiah was talking about seeing eye to eye and understanding, and when you were able to see or ready to see, you would see the truth of things around you and you would be in agreement. To see eye to eye means to agree with someone. If we see eye to eye, we are in alignment and in agreement. Now, how does that play out in our lives and our businesses? In our relationships, in our businesses, in some areas and aspects, we want to see eye to eye. We want to agree with people. We all want to be moving in the same direction for our business, right? We have a business vision, a business goal, and we all want to be marching to the beat of the same drum as we move toward that. However, how we do that on a day-to-day basis and on an overall basis needs to vary. We need to have diversity in the solutions that we're willing to look at when it comes to solving problems or creating value for our customers and the people that we serve. If everybody in our organization thinks alike and are a bunch of yes people, we're going to only appeal to a very narrow margin of people, and chances are we're not going to be solving their problems. We're just going to be solving our own problems, and that will lead to more business problems for us in the long run. So there's a balance, just like everything else in life, between diversity and everybody seeing eye to eye. We need variety and uncertainty, just like Tony Robbins talks about certainty and uncertainty. We need certainty, we need to know what to expect, but we also need some variety and some uncertainty to keep us on our toes, to be making sure that we're paying attention to the people that we serve and that we're doing the best that we can, and that we're improving our business on a continuous basis, not just doing the same thing over and over and over again because it's worked in the past. We always want to be looking for new ways to serve people. So we want to be in agreement, but we also want to make sure that we're considering all the alternatives, not all of them, but as many as we possibly can. One of the things that we tend to do as humans is we get locked into this black or white, A or B. It's either this way or the highway. And we want to make sure that we're not doing that. Now, sometimes in negotiations, we want to do that. But for the most part, we want to be a little more flexible in our approach to things. So how do you use this expression? Have you heard it? Have you used it? Do you see eye to eye with the people that you interact with on a regular basis? Our relationships, when they're founded on common goals, common values, just like our businesses, when we have the same core values, but how we go about getting different results varies, that's when we enjoy our businesses and our relationships the most. So share in the comments below your experience with this particular idiom, to see eye to eye. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business and maybe even in your life today? Have an awesome day.